I'm going to show you how to fix Discord loading the chunk failed error message. So the first thing we want to do is navigate down to the search bar and type in run and then click on that. From here, we want to type in %sign app data, %sign, and then click OK. Within this folder, we want to navigate and find the Discord folder. So once you find that, right click on that and then select delete. If you get this error message saying the action cannot be completed, all we need to do is head on down to the taskbar at the bottom, find Discord, right click on it, and then click quit. Once you've done that, you should be able to click try again. Once we've done that, now we need to navigate to the search bar again and type in run once again and click on it. And from here, all we want to do is type in %sign local app data, %sign, and then click OK. This will once again bring up the folder. And once again, scroll all the way down until you find Discord, right click on it and select delete. Once you've done those two steps, next you want to open your preferred browser and type in Discord download, click the top link, and then click download for Windows or whatever operating system you are using. Once that's done, all you need to do is reinstall Discord and your error message should have been removed. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.